Today is part 2 of our series on determining the perfect shot for the perfect cup size. Which yield is best for 8-ounce cup for milky coffee. So we are going to use the same amount of coffee beans, a dose of 10 grams, and a yield of 3 different types. Ristretto 1:1.5, so I'm going to pull 15 grams for single shot. And then the second one is the espresso, which is 1:2. So I'm going to pull 20 grams of espresso. And finally, a lungo, proportion of 1:3. I'm going to use my dark roast coffee beans here. First shot, this is my Ristretto. 15 grams within 29 seconds. That's perfect for me. So now I'm going to steam my milk. Okay, now with a single shot, although it looks really good, it's very light. Wow, I like it. I think this particular shot and proportion is perfect for those that like their coffee really mild.
Yeah, it's a very nice drink.
Smooth, right? Smooth,
yeah.
Mild, and just perfect if you're looking for something to enjoy without having to really get too much caffeine.
Yeah.
Right?
I think so.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, come back again for the second one. This is my second shot, 1:2, 20 grams, and it took about 29 seconds into my 8-ounce cup here. The color is slightly darker because we pulled a longer shot, which is 20 grams. So I would say that this one is not as smooth as the Ristretto. It's still very nice. I think it's always how well you pull your shot. It tastes a little bit stronger, you think?
I think it tastes like the other one was more strong.
Stronger?
Yeah, the other one was stronger. This one is like, this one has a very subtle taste of coffee, but I mostly taste just
milk.
the milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 down. Let's find out the third one. So which one do you prefer, this one or the earlier one?
I prefer the earlier one.
This is my final shot. 30 grams of espresso here, or Lungo. Everything is delicious. I mean, it's just mild. In this case, I think there is hardly any difference between the Ristretto, espresso, and Lungo, but I still would go for either the Ristretto or this Lungo.
Yeah, I think they all taste quite similar,
right?
But definitely, again, just as the Americano, I feel like the Lungo comes out on top for this one.
Okay.
Just because it's more, like, definitely tastes more of the coffee, you know, yes, more full-bodied.
More satisfying again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But isn't it nice, you know, I mean, hot coffee is really perfect.
Yeah.
Right? Even though in a hot weather like Thailand, having a hot coffee, even for me at this time of the day, is still very comforting, isn't it? Okay, well, I suppose the verdict here is from the first episode of this series, when we did Americano, single shot of espresso. The preference is 1:3. That means 30 grams of espresso or Lungo for 8-ounce cup of Americano. And for this time, a milky drink, it seems that the Lungo is still coming out on top, although, as I have said, the taste with the milk is very, very similar. So I suppose if you'd like it to be more comforting, more satisfying for the milky drink, again, I would say go for the Lungo. 2 down. If you have any questions at all about any of these recipes, do let us know in the comment below. As I have said, most coffee shops do not use single shot anymore, but I would say that this is kind of a way to cut costs as well. So if you're just looking at a single shot of espresso or Lungo or Ristretto in your drinks, then definitely 10 grams in, 30 grams out is still perfect for an 8-ounce cup. And this is especially true for those countries that do not like their coffee to be strong. Okay? That's all we would like to share with you today, part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 and more on this series. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.